Ever dreamt of escaping Earth's gravity, even just for a moment? Or perhaps you envision a future where humanity is a multiplanetary species, and you want to be part of making that a reality. The allure of space is undeniable, but often, the first thought that comes to mind is that it's astronomically expensive, reserved only for governments and billionaires. But what if I told you that investing in space, specifically in spaceships, is becoming more accessible than ever before? For a long time, direct ownership of a spaceship was the stuff of science fiction. Think about it. Building a single Falcon 9 rocket cost SpaceX around $300 million in development. NASA spent nearly $49 billion, inflation adjusted, to develop the Space Shuttle program. These are not figures that an average individual or even a small consortium could easily stomach. And even for companies like SpaceX, the research and development costs for their cutting-edge Starship program are projected to reach $10 billion. So, if you're thinking of building your own personal cruiser to zip around the solar system, well, you'll need a lottery win of epic proportions, and then some. However, the definition of investment in a spaceship has evolved dramatically. You don't necessarily need to commission your own vessel. The burgeoning private space sector has opened up avenues for far more modest investments. One of the most direct ways, albeit still quite pricey, is through space tourism. Companies like Virgin Galactic offer suborbital flights, with tickets previously selling for around $250,000. While that's a significant sum, it's a far cry from building an entire spacecraft. Blue Origin also aims to offer similar experiences. For orbital trips, and even potential lunar missions, companies like SpaceX and Axiom Space are developing programs that will likely cost millions of dollars per seat, but again, you're buying a ticket, not the whole ship. But what if you're not looking to personally blast off, but rather to invest in the companies that are building these incredible machines and the infrastructure for space? This is where the minimum investment truly drops. You can invest in publicly traded space companies through traditional stock markets. Companies involved in launch services, satellite technology, space tourism, and even asteroid mining are increasingly going public or are already listed. This means you can buy shares in these companies for the price of a single stock, which could be anything from a few dollars to hundreds of dollars, depending on the company. For example, shares in certain spaceflight companies have been trading for under $3. Beyond individual stocks, you can also explore exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that focus on the space industry. These ETFs bundle together shares of various companies involved in space exploration and technology, offering a diversified investment with a relatively low entry point. You could start investing in a space-focused ETF with a few $100s or even less, depending on your brokerage. This provides exposure to the sector's growth without the need to pick individual winners and losers. So, while owning your own private spaceship remains a distant dream for most, participating in the space economy is becoming increasingly achievable. From high-priced space tourism tickets to affordable shares in publicly traded space ventures and diversified ETFs, the minimum investment for getting a piece of the space pie is far more accessible than you might think. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.